The perfect outdoor space needs the perfect lighting. And when one of my light bulbs go out, I need to change it. I know I can rely on this G40 LED replaceable lights. They are shatterproof bulb and very durable. And I get 25 in a pack. So after unscrewing the old one, I can see the difference and of the new one and the old one. These new ones are durable and they have a warm white color to it. I like that once I've installed the light in this bulb and I've screwed everything in, it goes in so effortlessly, very easy to use. And I absolutely love that it is so much more brighter than the ones I had before. It makes my outdoor look perfect again, and I am so happy with this string light. It gives me 25000H lifespan bulb life, and also it is dimmable.